National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. High winds, lightning, and flash flooding are expected.
Warnings like this bring on feelings of fear and dread for homeowners with basements, especially if those basements aren't equipped with a backup sump pump. A battery-powered backup sump pump can be installed right alongside your existing sump pump. If your power goes out or if your primary sump pump stops working, the backup sump pump will prevent basement flooding. Its float switch sits just above your primary pump switch and will only activate if needed. New backup pumps come with a battery charger, so the system is always charged and ready. These indicator lights show the system's readiness status. If the backup pump turns on, an alarm will sound. Premium models will send a text to your smartphone, a helpful feature if you're not at home to hear the alarm. These alerts are your cue that something is wrong with your primary sump pump, and you may need to call your Roto-Rooter plumber. At the heart of a backup pump is a marine-grade battery that will power the pump anywhere from 4 hours to several days without a recharge. Remember that batteries must be replaced on schedule, or your backup pump may not have enough power to prevent a flood, and some batteries require occasional maintenance. Your Roto-Rooter plumber is a sump pump expert and is available 24/7, 365, and will recommend and install an effective backup system to fit almost any home and budget.